girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. Today's video is so exciting because Bperfect have collabed with Stacie Marie for like the 4th time, I believe, to create Carnival number 4. And it's called the Antidote palette. This is the box. Doesn't it look gorgeous? And it's definitely autumnal because we are in September. It launched, I want to say Monday the 30th at midnight, so that would have been like Tuesday, I believe, and it came on Wednesday. This is what the palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that. Then let's show you the inside. It has like one of these little plastic things on there. However, look at it. Just look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You've got like your reds, pinks, neutrals, greens, blue. I feel like this is just perfect for this time of year. So I feel like this is a big palette to swatch and I just want to play with it. So what I might do is just like swatch. What I want to do is I want to do 3 parts to this video. One part being I play with these 3 shades, 3 rows. Is it 3? Yeah. So yeah, it'll be these 3 rows. Then I want to play with these 3 or columns. Then I want to play with the last 3 columns in the 3rd video. So I kind of want to keep it to each like color story. I'm so excited. This retailed $39.95. It was hell. I woke up at midnight and I was on there for 40 minutes trying to get this palette, and then I couldn't get back to sleep till nearly 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It was in the morning. It was crazy. So I feel like I want to start off with these 3 rows here and I'll swatch these 3 for you. They are absolutely gorgeous though. Like, just look at that. Isn't that stunning? So yeah, I will swatch these 3 rows for you and I will do a part 2, part 3 to this video if you guys want it. I feel like I need to get used out of this palette in autumn, so ow, that's how I'm gonna do it. Look at these swatches. This is that 1st column, the 2nd column and the 3rd. They have swatched so beautifully. I had not a single problem with them. Like, I know when I swatch Rev, I'm like, oh, there was like, that was hard in the pan, or that was a bit hardly pressed. No, not a single problem. They all look gorgeous. And the names, oh my god, the names. You've got like October, Fawn, Sugar Maple, Cinnamon, Spiced Coral, Honey, Fall, Aubergine, Sweet Cheeks. Like, you've got so many names that relate to autumn. I'm so happy to have this kind of palette because everything's always bright nowadays. Finally, we've got a palette that Liz can love. So I'm gonna put some eye primer on and we're gonna just dive straight into this. I feel like I know what I want to do and then I feel like I don't know what I want to do, but I'm super excited for this. We are zooming in for this. Of course, the first shade I'm gonna have to take is this shade here called Aubergine. The mirror is so good on this palette. Oh my god, there's no kickback either. Alright, we're just gonna place that on the outer corner. How beautiful. Now we're going to take this shade here called Sweet Cheeks and we're going to blend that out. I feel like this section is my favourite section. Like the dusty pinks and oh, it's just all my favourite. Oh, this shade is so nice. I'm bringing it in as well. Kind of went a bit up there by accident, but we'll blend that out in a minute. One eye is always better than the other. You know what it is? This eye is just naturally smaller. So this one always looks like it's a little bit higher than the other one. She says, and she goes to blend even higher. Let's go in with October over here. How this has all gone into like one shade, I feel like we need to add something else, and that something else is gonna be pretty peachy. Let's go in with this like mustardy yellowy kind of shade. I'm just gonna take that in here and then out here. This palette is so good. I've just gone in a 2nd time on some of these colors, but oh, wow, literally love it. And I'm trying to think of what shade to put on the lid. I really want like a really dark pink lip. So we've actually got 5 shimmers we can use. We've got Fuego, which is this shade here. We've got Honey, we've got Brass, we've got Sugar Maple, and we have Pin Up, which is there. I feel like we need to go for Sugar Maple. Oh my god. Alright. I'm not even bothering to cut my crease. Oh wow. I feel like Pin Up would have gone with this look a little bit more, but oh wow. How easy that was to put on. Wow. You know what? I will use Pin Up, and I'll put that on the outer corner right here. What do we think? Do we love Bperfect or do we love Bperfect? I'm at that point where I do the other eye, do my base, and we come back. And I want like a sexy pink lip, and I'm leaning towards, I've still got all these Revolution matte lipsticks out. I have swatched all of these, the video will be coming soon. I'm leaning towards Clueless Fuchsia with like a really dark brown lip liner. Do we just do like a really nice burgundy lip, which I think was Burgundy Star. Let's do a burgundy lip. So weird when I haven't done my eyebrows. So far this is what we're looking like. I want to go in with that aubergine shade on the outer corner here first. Oh, I'm so in love with this look, and I did put that Burgundy Star on my lips. It's so nice with Colourpop BFF4 round the edges. And then blend it out with Sweet Cheeks right here. And lastly, we're going to take the shade Pretty Peach just down the bottom. With this shade, you really have to build it up. I'm going to work on the blend of this off camera because I feel like I just need to keep going in, keep blending it out. And then I will come back with a finished look. I'll do my brows, I'll do my lashes and that. Kind of loving the no brow look kind of thing, but I feel naked without them. So yeah, I will be back very shortly. I'm finished. I did just go ahead and put some inner corner and brow bone highlight on. I wasn't too sure. So I used Fuego here. I wasn't too sure how it would be, but it actually goes. I thought this would be a bit too warm for that kind of highlight. It really does match. I am incredibly happy with this palette. It retails for $39.95, but I feel like if you're in the market for an all you kind of need kind of palette for autumn, this is going to be your go-to. It's really thick. It's got lots of product in it, and $39.95. I'm sure if you wait a little while, one of the discount codes will work. I know when we were ordering it on the pre-release day, none of the discount codes were working, so I did pay the 40 quid for it. But I would happily spend 40 quid on this again. And the only reason I happily spent that is because I know the quality of the shadows. Like, the shimmers worked perfectly well. There was no issue with it. The mattes blended well together. I have no problems with this palette whatsoever. It's such a lovely, like, aesthetic to it. I love the front of it. I love the inside of this palette, like everything about it, and it feels weighted, like it feels like a luxurious eyeshadow. I have bought palettes from luxurious brands, and the most luxurious palettes I own is from Bperfect, and I was never into Bperfect until Missa and lockdown happened. I binged her videos because she was literally uploading every day, every other day, and I binged her videos and I literally loved her videos. And then I was like, okay, I need Carnival. I bought the first Carnival, then Tahiti came, no, the second Carnival, then Tahiti came out, now this one. So there's 4 of them. I haven't got the first one, which is on my list to buy at some point, just to have the full collection. But Stacie Marie knows how to do a palette. Her collabs with Bperfect are the best collabs I've ever bought. I do love a good Revolution collab, don't get me wrong, I do love it, but you cannot beat an eyeshadow in this palette. It is nice. So if you guys are interested, do you want me to? Oh, by the way, I did make my matte lip glossy. I don't know if I said that. I ended up using Gleam from the new Revolution Shimmer Bombs. Revolution know how to do a lip product, I must admit. Again, so yeah, as I was saying, do you guys want me to do like a part 1, part 2, part 3? So the next one I'll do the middle shades, and then the last video I will do the end shades. And I feel like I just want to keep reaching in, like I want to keep using this, at least have this in one of my videos every week, and just do a look, not like testing the palette's formula, but actually just doing a look, and like you guys can help me choose what kind of look you want me to go for. I'm very interested in that. So if you guys are, then let me know, because I just want to keep using this palette. I love it. I feel like it's going to be my baby. I feel like this is going to be the type of palette that I'm going to use all the time. And when work is not wearing masks, not helping out in the kitchen, all of that kind of stuff, I'll be using it for work. I hate when lipsticks like go there. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.